here reporting the latest Irene hurricane update in upstate New York, here in Massena, New York. The mayor of Massena has declared a state of emergency where all dogs are not allowed to go outside with their owners in fear that their poop will fly away into cars and other people's faces. Also, a colony of 12,000 ants has been washed away and all are feared lost. The devastation continues here, where the owner of this lawn chair has lost his lawn chair to the ground. And the owner of this chair has been unhappy that he's had to pick it up 12 times during this milestone hurricane in upstate New York. Also, we've had wind gusts here breaking 49 miles per hour gusts at times. Incredible hurricane here in upstate New york. So this has been Richard Cranium reporting with the latest Hurricane Irene update here on YouTube.